Hey everyone, this is Gal from Adoric. In the following video, I would like to explain how you can easily create a form using Adoric. Step 1. Create a list. Go to List, click on the plus button. Here, you need to add your new list name. I'm going to call it, for this case, New Subscribers. Then, I will add the form's fields. In this case, I want to collect the following fields. 1 will be name. We will set the field type to text. Second, email. And we will set the field type to email. And third one, phone number. And I will set it to number. Finish by clicking on Create List. And your new list is ready. Step 2, we need to create a new campaign. I go to Campaigns and I click plus. I will call this campaign My Form and click Start. I will choose a template out of the lead category. So I will go to Leads and I will choose one that fits me. In this case, I will choose this one. If you picked a template without a form, everything is okay. You can just go to Elements on the left sidebar and click on Form. Then you will have your own new form that you can just place wherever you want. For now, I will use the one that we have on the template. So, first field I wanted was name, and here you can see that there is the name. Second field I wanted was email. So I can edit this box, click on the pen tool, and change it to email. Last one I wanted was phone, so I will change this one to phone. Now what I want to do is to create the integration. We already created the list, so now all I need to do is to click on the form and click on integration. Here I will choose Adoric list. And now it will ask me which list would you like to use, and I will use a new subscribers list because this is what I created. I will click on next. And now on the left side, you will see the fields that we have on this form, which is name, email, and phone. And on the other side, we will see the Adoric list field, what we created in the past. So all I need to do now is to create the matches. So first field is name, which is great. Second field is email, which is great. And third field is phone. So everything is set up, and now we can just click on next and close this bar. Everything now is ready. I will save this campaign. Now I will go over audience and the rules, set the campaign the way that I want, and change here just to 1 second so we can see the campaign really quickly. Save and publish the campaign. Now our campaign is live. I want to go back to my campaigns and I want to view it on my site. Now you see our campaign. I set it so it will be published after 1 second. You can see here the form that we created. And now I want to enter a real subscriber name in order to see it in the list later. So I have the name. I'll write my name. Email, just the test email. And a phone number. Now I will send the form. Inside Adoric, you can just go back quickly to Adoric. I will go back to list and I will see if I have a new subscriber. And you see that I have 1 new subscriber 2 minutes ago. I click on the new subscriber and this is me, Gal Test Test. In the future, when you have a long list, you can filter out the list by dates, and you can also export all the data in the file you desire. I hope you understand now how you can connect your forms into Adoric list. Thank you.